Welcome to this video tutorial on how to place an order on an exchange using TabTrader. Let's begin by opening up the app and tapping on the desired instrument. On the instrument page, you have 3 ways to access the order form. First way, click on the basket icon in the upper right corner. The order form will fill in the current market price in the price field. Second way, long press anywhere on the chart. Move the crosshair to the desired price level and press Order. The order form will open with your selected price. Third way, open the order book and tap on any existing order. This opens the order form with that specific order's price and amount pre-filled. Once the order form is opened, you can select the order type, adjust the price and amount, and set additional parameters if applicable. Take a moment to carefully review all order details before selecting your order side and clicking Confirm. That's it! Now you're all set to confidently place orders on TabTrader.